Hello viewers. Welcome to yet another video. How are we doing on the other videos, by the way? Any comments? We would love to hear from you. This time, we take a look at what critical illness insurance policy is and how it can help you. This is the insurance world. Let's talk about some insurance. A critical illness insurance policy is a type of insurance policy that will pay a lump sum if the policyholder is diagnosed with a critical or serious illness or medical condition that is specified in the policy. When a policyholder goes to the hospital and is diagnosed with any of the critical illnesses, he or she can lodge a claim with their insurance company and provide relevant documents. Then they will be paid the lump sum as agreed in the policy they purchased. The purpose of critical illness insurance policy is to provide financial support to the policyholder and their family during a difficult time, allowing them to cover the costs of treatment, medical bills, and other expenses related to the critical illness. The illnesses or medical conditions that are covered can vary depending on the policy, but typically include serious conditions such as cancer, heart attack, stroke, organ transplant, major surgery, multiple sclerosis, and blindness. It's important to note that critical illness insurance policy is not the same as life assurance policy. Life assurance policy provides a lump sum payment to the policyholder's beneficiaries upon the policyholder's death. Critical illness insurance policy pays a lump sum to the policyholder upon diagnosis of any critical illnesses while the policyholder is still alive. This policy is also different from a medical policy. Whereas medical policy will generally pay for the hospital treatment expenses, this policy will pay the policyholder, and it is up to the policyholder to decide whether to pay medical bills or do something else. Any critical illness insurance policy is designed to provide financial support while the policyholder is still alive, but unable to work due to their illness or condition. Why a critical illness insurance policy is important. Critical illness insurance policy is important because it provides financial protection and peace of mind during a difficult and potentially expensive time. Here are some reasons why it's important. Covers medical expenses. Upon diagnosis, managing critical illnesses can be very, very expensive. Expenses such as medical treatments, surgeries, hospital stays, or even overseas evacuations will generally require one to dig deeper into their pocket to finance. If you have a critical illness insurance policy, it will pay a lump sum that can help cover these costs and alleviate the financial burden on the policyholder and their family. Provides income replacement. As mentioned above, the critical illness insurance policy pays a lump sum to the policyholder upon being diagnosed with any of the covered critical illnesses. This means, therefore, that the policyholder can use the lump sum payment as income replacement. If a policyholder is unable to work due to a critical illness, the policy's lump sum payment can provide income replacement, allowing the policyholder and their family to maintain their standard of living. Reduces stress. A serious or critical illness can be emotionally and financially stressful for the policyholder and their family. The lump sum payment under this critical illness insurance policy can help reduce stress by providing financial support, so the focus can be on recovery. Offers flexibility. A critical illness insurance policy provides a lump sum payment that can be used for any purpose, such as paying for medical bills, home modifications, or other expenses related to the illness. How to get a critical illness insurance policy. For those who are in employment and are fortunate enough to have a group life policy, a critical illness insurance cover can be provided within the group life policy as an extension. Many insurance companies provide this benefit either accelerated as part of the death benefit, which means any payment made under critical illness extension reduces the death benefit, or a standalone cover, which means that the payment under critical illness extension does not affect the amount under death benefit. Just confirm if your group life policy has this extension. If it does, you are good to go. For those who are self-employed, unemployed, or whose employers do not provide group life cover, there is standalone critical illness insurance that can be purchased on its own. Premium to be paid under this policy, in case one is buying as an individual, is very affordable. You will be surprised at how much it costs. Find out about the critical illness insurance policy from your insurance intermediary and purchase it to protect yourself and your loved ones. How to claim under the critical illness insurance policy. Claiming under this policy is very simple. Upon diagnosis, request your doctor to send the medical report to your insurance company. They will then provide you with a claim form which you will complete, attach any requested documents, and forward to your insurance for payment. The above process applies to all critical illness insurance policy claims, whether the policy was bought by the employer, corporate, or as an individual. Overall, a critical illness insurance policy is an important insurance policy to consider, as it can provide valuable financial protection and peace of mind during a difficult time. Our advice: consider purchasing this policy and you will have peace of mind if the critical illness does strike. Of course, we pray for your continued good health and good life. That right there is our checkered flag. We meet again tomorrow for more of these policies. Before we log out, 5 seconds for you to subscribe and like our video.